Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll tell you where are all Oblivion Gates. After the quest Breaking the Siege of Patch, gates begin spawning around the world. Up to 50 random gates can appear total, plus quest-related ones. Gates close automatically once you complete the main quest Light the Dragon Fires. Here are the fixed gate locations. Gates that appear always are Patch Gate, Bruma Gate, Anvil Gate, Caden Hall Gate, Chorol Gate, Leawin Gate, and Ingard Gate. After the Kwatch Gate, random gates will spawn at fixed location on the map, but whether they are active is random. Some common areas are near Bruma, close to Caden Hall, near Skingrad, and between Imperial City and Horror. You'll usually see glowing red sky, fire and smoke effects, and scorched land around the gate. If you want to find them easily, explore roads, watch for red map markers, and use fast travel to cities, then scan the horizon for red skies. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, subscribe.